National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Kenosha County in southeast Wisconsin, western Racine County in southeast Wisconsin, eastern Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin, until 8 o'clock p.m. At 7:18 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Pell Lake, or near Lake Geneva, and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Bowners Lake around 7:35 p.m., Burlington Airport around 7:40 p.m., Browns Lake around 7:45 p.m., Rochester and Eagle Lake around 7:50 p.m., Waterford North around 7:55 p.m., Wind Lake around 8 o'clock p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include New Munster, Burlington, Honey Creek, and Waterford. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern McHenry County in northeast Illinois until 7:45 p.m. At 7:21 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Hebron, or near Wonder Lake, and moving north at 25 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Richmond around 7:35 p.m. The following is a